Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and while that other video was loading, I thought I would share, depending on the size of this, this is pretty big. It's 10 inches by 7.5. So these little lines should not burn away. But just in case you were concerned about it, you could make these little definition lines a little thicker. So I've ungrouped the whole thing. I'm going to nudge it over. I'm going to left click, right click. Then I'm going to go to arrange and I'm going to break curve apart. Then I'm going to select this one and I'm going to go up to effects and contour. Let's contour 0.003 to the outside. That's probably not enough. Not enough difference. Probably 0.03. There we go. And then once you've got that set up, you don't have to do it again. These two might join. Doesn't really matter. But then you just take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And now let's move that over. And now look how more defined those lines are. That might or might not help you, might cause a problem. Let's say if you don't want that one quite to there, you can always bring it down. Delete some nodes, bring that down, play around with it, and make it your drawing. Now just the opposite on the interior of the hat. Let's nudge it out into the yellow. Left click, right click, but this time let's do to the inside. And then on this one, you would have to go break contour apart, grab that inside one, move it over, and then fill it with black and take away your outline. And that you'd have to play with a little bit. That's probably too much, and it kind of distorts the hat, but you could always bring that up, and these would be a little bit further apart if that's a problem. So two ways to do it, either the inside or the outside. I think the hat would be fine because it's really like it's a knit hat. So let's put it back the way it was. And I think that is good. But you can see the difference between these definited lines versus these. Anyway, and then you just delete this and group it back together, Control G, and do whatever you want to with it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.